Hey guys, Amanda Wilsey with Rich & Sons RV, standing here in the 2023 Montana 3761. This is a front living by Montana. We're in the living room with the opposing slides. We've got seating for tons of people, and both of these couches will make out into beds if you need extra sleeping as well. Headed down into the kitchen, you've got your residential refrigerator, tons of counter space and outlets just everywhere, as well as a lot of storage. Coming around here, we have a half bath. What's great about this is that a company doesn't have to go through the bedroom in order to use the restroom. So a half bath just here off of the kitchen. Next to it is the pantry. Table and chairs here with great windows surrounding it. Heading on up into the bedroom. King bed on a slide out. Windows all around it. You get a nice good cross breeze. Great closet. And at the foot of the bed, you've got even more storage, a television, and the dresser there. Here in the rear, you've got a full width bathroom with dual vanity, lending to a ton of counter space, huge shower, and again, lots of extra linen storage in there. You guys, this is the 3761 Montana Front Living. Montana is #1 in luxury and quality. Come and check it out. If this is the one for you, give us a call.